Kiwana with Set for Increase, and I am so excited to let you know about our workshop that we have going on starting May 21st. That's Tuesday, May 21st. I am super excited because we are going to be tackling family and finances through the month of May and through June. This course is designed to get you out of your comfort zone and on your way to your financial success. I mean, we're going to be holding your hand, helping you write financial visions, determining your net worth. I mean, you're going to leave this class feeling so prepared and ready for your own financial journey. Register. You can register through our website at setforincrease.com. You can send me an email at ktomas@setforincrease.com. Seating is limited to make sure everybody gets the personal experience that they are looking for. Now look, we are calling on you to share this video. Tell your friends, tell your family, especially if you want them to be on the same journey as you to your financial freedom. I am excited to work with you guys. Give me a call if you have any questions. Remember, email. You can direct message me on Facebook, direct message me on Instagram, but whatever you got to do, get connected and get plugged into this course. Remember, at Set for Increase, we are here to help put your money on a mission. Be blessed.